guys, today we are going to discuss that what is the difference between engagement ring and a wedding ring. At ordinaryjewels.com ये क्वेश्चन हमसे बार बार पूछा जाता है guys who are in a relationship or about to get engaged or they want to get married. ये हमसे अक्सर पूछते हैं कि क्या मुझे वेडिंग रिंग भी खरीदनी चाहिए या एंगेजमेंट रिंग में क्या डिफरेंस होता है, वेडिंग रिंग में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट. Engagement ring is the ring that you use to propose to a woman. और जब आपका रिश्ता अभी पक्का नहीं हुआ है और आप एक दूसरे के साथ रिश्ते में बनना चाहते हैं, जुड़ना चाहते हैं, तो उस समय जो अंगूठी, जो रिंग आप एक दूसरे को देते हैं, the ring that is given at that time is called an engagement ring. और इसको आप एक proposal ring के नाम से भी इसको proposal ring भी कह सकते हैं. Engagement ring अक्सर उस समय उस वक्त दी जाती है when a man likes a woman and he wants that she should be committed in a relationship with him, and she generally says yes when she is proposed to. This is a very a lot of guys like to make it a big deal. They have these nice romantic candlelight dinners. They like to go down on their knee and propose to the girl, and as you have seen even in movies, that engagement, getting engaged is a great event, is a big event, is a great feeling. So yes, there is, the ring is required, and you need to have a nice beautiful ring for that. Now let's come to wedding rings. What are wedding rings and what is the difference? A wedding ring is generally not a surprise. Generally the engagement ring or the proposal ring, ये एक surprise के तौर पे लड़की को दी जाती है. She is not aware of it, and the man tries to pick it up and buy it on his own, and उनको present की जाती है, and she is surprised. But a wedding ring is it comes when you are getting married and you are engaging the ring. You are exchanging the rings. So जब आप rings को exchange कर रहे हैं शादी के time पे, तो you guys already know each other, you are in a relationship, so there is no surprise there. The girl can actually choose the wedding ring herself as well if she likes, and this is a ceremonial thing. And when you are finally getting into a relationship, you are exchanging vows and you are getting into that whole relationship. You will exchange these rings. So that is the difference. And wedding ring लेना या नहीं लेना is entirely up to you. ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको wedding ring लेना ही चाहिए. It depends on your budget, on your pocket, on your choice, on your liking. But yes, a lot of couples like to have an engagement ring and a wedding ring, so there is a set, and both the ceremonies have something that they can relate to, and it's more of a memory. Jewelry is always about making memories, and when you are in a relationship, so that's how jewelry, and that's why jewelry is given. So I hope we have been able to explain the difference between an engagement ring and wedding ring. And for more queries and questions, do visit us on ordinaryjewels.com, and we can always be reached at 8600 718 666. That's our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching.